So what if I give you the roots and I tell you, what's the original equation? You're probably going, well, it's easy. Watch. You're told the roots could be -5 and +3. Check how easy this is. X equals to -5, X equals to +3. How did you get there? Well, you got there by adding 5 to both sides, right? So that cancels. There's your first factor, X plus 5. Look, here's your other factor. Subtract 3 from both sides. This gives you X minus 3. There's your second factor. All you have to do is multiply those guys together using FOIL, and you've got the answer. So this becomes X squared. This becomes minus 3x plus 5x, which is plus 2x. And finally, 5 times minus 3, which works out to be minus 15. There was the original right there. Okay, so what would you do with a mess that looks like this? Yeah, well, it's actually quite easy. Watch. Leave this alone for a second because that was square rooted, which means that you must have somehow square rooted in the equation, which means if we're doing the opposite, you're going to end up squaring out later. Watch how easy this is. Subtract 2, subtract a 2. That's gone, leaving you x minus 2. That's your equation, equals to a root 7. Think about it. If that was square rooted, that must mean that this must have been squared. Look, x minus 2 squared equals to a positive 7. Bring the 7 over. X minus 2 squared minus 7 equals to 0. And there's your original function. Oh, yes, putting the fun back in function. Okay? Now, how would you do a mess that looks like this guy? Same idea. Just do the opposite. That was divided by 2. Leave this guy to be last. That was divided by 2, so multiply both sides by 2. So now you have 2x equals to 3 plus root 11. And that's no different than the one that you did up here. Okay, so keep on going. Subtract the 3 from both sides. Look what you got. That's gone, leaving you 2x minus 3 bracket equals to root 11. Square it. There's 2x minus 3 squared equals to 11. Bring the 11 over. 2x minus 3 squared minus 11 is your original function. That's how you do these things.